Today, we're delving into the clandestine world of hidden ways to make money and achieve financial abundance. Ever wondered how the wealthy seem to effortlessly multiply their fortunes? Stick around as we unveil some lesser-known strategies that could be your ticket to riches. Our first hidden gem is the world of cryptocurrency. Discover how savvy investors are leveraging blockchain technology to create substantial wealth. Stay tuned for insights into the most promising altcoins and under-the-radar projects that could skyrocket your portfolio. Unlock the potential of niche e-commerce. We'll uncover how individuals are tapping into unique markets, from personalized products to specialized services. Learn how finding the right niche can turn your passion into a lucrative business venture. Diversify your portfolio with alternative investments. Explore unconventional options like rare collectibles, fine art, or even investing in startups. Discover how these unconventional choices can yield remarkable returns. Escape the 9-to-5 grind. Uncover the hidden world of remote income streams. From freelancing to online businesses, we'll guide you through the vast opportunities available in the digital landscape. Brick by brick to wealth. Learn the secrets of real estate investment beyond the conventional. We'll explore strategies like wholesaling, creative financing, and finding hidden gems in the property market that others might overlook. There you have it, aspiring wealth builders. These hidden paths to financial success could be the key to unlocking your full potential. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more exclusive content,